Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you might need to transfer your TRX tokens from a secure hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X to something more portable, like the Tangem Wallet. Today, I'm going to walk you through this process step by step. It's straightforward, but always remember, we're dealing with digital assets, so double-check everything to keep your funds safe. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up. You'll need your Ledger Nano X with the Tron app installed. Head to the Ledger Live app on your computer to download it if you haven't already. Also, ensure your Tangem wallet is initialized and you have its receiving address ready. This is crucial because one wrong address could mean lost funds forever. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ledger Live application. Once it's connected, unlock your device with your PIN. Step 2. In Ledger Live, navigate to the Accounts section and select your TRX account. If you don't see it, make sure the Tron app is open on your Ledger device by pressing the right button until you find it. Step 3. Now, go to the Send or Withdraw option in your TRX account. Enter the amount of TRX you want to transfer. Don't forget to leave some for network fees, which are usually pretty low for Tron. Then, paste the receiving address from your Tangem wallet. Double-check this address on your Tangem device to avoid any mistakes. Step 4. Review the transaction details on your Ledger Nano X screen. It will display the amount, address, and fees. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction by pressing both buttons on your device. Step 5. Once confirmed, the transaction will be broadcast to the Tron blockchain. This might take a minute or two, so keep an eye on the status in Ledger Live. You can also check it on a blockchain explorer like Tron Scan using the transaction ID. And there you have it. Your TRX should now be in your Tangem wallet. In 2025, crypto tech is evolving fast, so always update your wallets and stay informed about any new security features. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.